Hello everyone, I'm happy to see you here once again. The educational series, has provided an informative and useful video about term life insurance. Here, we will try to cover all about term life insurance, including what is term insurance, reasons why term insurance is preferable, some of the most important characteristics that make term plans so important, what are the advantages of having term insurance, why choose term insurance plans, what are the different types of term plans, and much more. For your kind information, this series has been made only for educational purpose. For any doubt, you can use the comment section. We will try our best. Let's get right to the topic without wasting any time. Temporary life insurance is a type of life insurance product that provides financial protection to the policyholder for a specific period of time. In the event of the insured individual's death during the policy's term, the company will pay the death benefit to the named beneficiary of the policy. Before purchasing term insurance, it is important to understand the significance of the key features of term insurance and why you should choose it. The purpose of purchasing life insurance is to provide death benefits to the policyholder's family as well as financial security for the policyholder's estate. There are two ways in which an individual can obtain life insurance. 1. By purchasing a pure life insurance policy, also known as term insurance. 2. By purchasing a life insurance policy that includes a savings component, also known as endowment insurance. Reasons why term insurance is preferable. Term insurance provides only pure life protection. This means that there are no savings or profits to be realized. They are fundamental plans that make life insurance more affordable when compared to other alternatives. When compared to a similar endowment plan, it is possible for the policyholder to obtain a greater amount of life insurance for a lower premium cost. Some of the most important characteristics that make term plans so important are as follows. 1. Innovative features. While insurance companies have been quick to innovate in general, they have been particularly quick to innovate when it comes to what is known as term plans. For example, insurance companies have been quick and proactive in lowering premium rates, even offering additional discounts to specific groups of people such as non-smokers. In some cases, purchasing term insurance policies has become much more convenient as a result of the Internet. Purchase of a term insurance policy over the Internet is possible for a healthy individual, as defined by the insurance company, who does not wish to submit to a medical examination. Riders. Riders can be added to a term plan by the policyholder, thereby increasing the usefulness of the policy overall. By purchasing a critical illness rider or critical illness insurance policy, he can be assured of receiving the sum assured in the event he is diagnosed with the critical illness covered by the insurance policy. This is in addition to the death benefit, which is an equal amount paid out if the policyholder dies during the policy's term. There are a variety of other riders to choose from, including loss of employment coverage, disability coverage, and waiver of premium coverage, to name a few examples. The policyholder should choose riders that are tailored to his or her specific requirements in order to make the life insurance more appropriate and meaningful. 3. Increased life insurance coverage. In addition, because term life insurance plans are more affordable than endowment plans, it is possible for an individual to choose a higher level of life insurance coverage for the same premium as an endowment plan. 4. Enhanced cover. Certain insurance companies provide the option for policyholders to increase their life insurance coverage during critical stages of their lives. Example: a policyholder may be permitted to increase his or her life insurance coverage by 50% at the time of marriage and by 25% at the time of becoming a parent. This enables him to begin with a modest level of protection and gradually increase it as his responsibilities grow and his ability to pay higher premiums increases as a result. What are the advantages of having term insurance? Customers can benefit from term insurance in a variety of ways. Here are a few examples of things you should be aware of. 1. Accidental death benefit. This is a benefit that is paid out in the event of an accident. You can increase the value of your term insurance policy by including the accidental death benefit. This will provide protection against any unforeseen events in the future. 2. Reasonably priced premiums. By paying a low premium for a term insurance policy, you can obtain a substantial amount of life insurance coverage. Premium payments can be made on a monthly, half-yearly, or yearly basis, depending on your preference. The earlier you purchase a term insurance policy, the lower the premium amount you will be required to pay in the future. 3. Coverage for the rest of one's life. Term insurance plans provide coverage for a significantly longer period of time. Whole life insurance policies provide coverage up to the age of 99 for the insured. 4. Coverage for illnesses that are terminal. A lump sum payout from a term insurance policy may be available if you are diagnosed with a terminal illness such as AIDS. 5. Payment of the insured amount. In the unfortunate event of the insured's death, the sum assured will be paid out to the insured's family members as a payout. Policyholders have options for how they want their payout to be structured, as a lump sum payment or as income paid out monthly or annually, as a combination of both lump sum and income, or as increasing income from the beginning of their policy. This will assist in meeting financial obligations as well as household expenses, among other things. 6. Critical illness coverage. You will receive a lump sum payout if you are diagnosed with any critical illness, one that is covered by your term insurance policy if you choose to include optional critical illness coverage 1 in your term insurance policy. 7. Tax benefits. If you pay premiums for a critical illness benefit, you may be able to claim tax deductions. Additionally, the lump sum amount received by nominees as the sum assured or death benefit is exempt from federal and state income taxation. Why choose term insurance plans? Term insurance plans provide financial security for the policyholder's entire family in the event of the policyholder's untimely death, which is rare. Aside from that, you can purchase additional coverage for critical illnesses or accidental death. You are covered for a long period of time, and the premiums are reasonably priced. Here are a few of the most important characteristics of the same. If you are diagnosed with a terminal illness too, you will receive the full payout of your life insurance policy. Coverage that lasts longer, with the option to remain covered until the age of 99. You will receive payments upon the diagnosis of any critical illness one covered by the insurance policy. You can choose between 4 different payout options, including a lump sum plus income, an increasing income, and an income. Comprehensive protection against critical illnesses 1. What are the different types of term plans? Preparation is key before signing on the dotted line and writing a check to purchase a term insurance policy for yourself. Understanding the different types of term insurance policies available will ensure that you purchase the policy that best meets your needs. Listed below are some examples of term insurance plans from which you can choose. 3. Increasing the amount of term insurance you have. As its name implies, this plan works in the opposite direction of the decreasing term insurance that we discussed earlier. In this case, the amount of coverage increases as a person's age increases, while the premium remains constant. The concept of increasing term insurance is based on the fact that inflation is increasing over time. There is a risk that your insurance coverage will not be sufficient. In other words, you will be underinsured if something happens. As a solution to this problem, insurance companies offer term plans, in which the insurance coverage increases at a predetermined rate over time. In contrast to level term insurance, the duration of this type of insurance is typically 20 years rather than the more liberal level term insurance. Furthermore, it is possible that there will be restricted riders available. The premium for this type of insurance would typically be higher than the premiums for the other 2 types of insurance discussed above. 1. Level term insurance. This is the most frequently encountered type of term insurance. When you purchase this plan, The amount of life insurance and premiums that you select based on your needs and liabilities remain constant throughout the policy's duration. This type of coverage is provided by virtually all life insurance companies without exception. 4. Term insurance with a refund of premiums. Despite the fact that this type of term insurance is new to the market, there are many people who are interested in it. If you purchase this type of term policy, the insurance company will reimburse you for the premiums you have paid over the course of the policy's term, assuming you live to the end of the term. 2. Decreasing term insurance. While the premium remains constant throughout the policy's duration, this type of term insurance provides coverage that decreases at a predetermined rate over the course of the policy's duration. The underlying concept behind decreasing term insurance is that as a person's liabilities diminish or disappear, his or her need for high levels of insurance diminishes or disappears as a result. Following your understanding of the various types of term insurance, you can discuss your options with your advisor and proceed to purchase the type of insurance that is most appropriate for your circumstances. You would not be fooled into purchasing a cover that you did not require in the first place. However, you should consider purchasing term insurance as soon as possible because it is the most cost-effective way to protect your family's future. Finally, in this whole series, we discussed about term life insurance, including what is term insurance, reasons why term insurance is preferable, some of the most important characteristics that make term plans so important, what are the advantages of having term insurance, why choose term insurance plans, what are the different types of term plans, and much more. Hope you understand and found this series more informative and useful. Thanks for joining us, hope you have a beautiful day.